Delicious desserts. Pour 300 milliliters of milk into the pot. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar 50 grams. Boil milk with sugar. While the milk is boiling, pour half a cup of milk into the glass. Add 60 grams of 5 tablespoons of semolina to the milk. Mix milk in a glass with semolina so that there are no lumps. Pour the semolina dissolved in a glass into the boiling milk. When the porridge with milk thickens, add 30 grams of powdered jelly. Keep stirring. Cook over low heat. Cook for 5 minutes until thick. Put biscuits on the bottom of the mold. Cover the cakes with our porridge mass. Make a second layer of cookies. Cover the cakes with the mass again. Finally, sprinkle the cake with cocoa. The dough pond in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to watch more videos. Enjoy your meal.